Hello students, welcome to CR's digital classes. Topic today we are going to deal with is Schotten-Baumann reaction, which is important among the named reactions in organic chemistry, especially in the case of phenols. Let us go into the details. Schotten-Baumann reaction is acylation of phenols, amines or alcohols in the presence of a base. So amines, we all know that there are alkyl and aryl amines. Alcohols are also alkyl and aryl alcohols. Phenols are acylated in this reaction. Acylation is the addition of acyl group, that is CH3CO group is added. So here pyridine is used in this reaction because it has to neutralize the HCl which is formed in this reaction. So without the neutralization of HCl, the further reaction can take place, which is not suitable for the reaction. So hence pyridine is used. And the discovery of this reaction was given by Schotten and Baumann, Carl Schotten and Eugen Baumann. And the reaction conditions here are very important because it has to be a biphasic system. Biphasic system means both aqueous and also oil phase. Both has to be present. So the base should be aqueous, means that the base should be dissolved in water, and that water dissolved base should be present in a biphasic system. So this is the general reaction. Here we get the phenol and benzoyl chloride. Here the acyl group which is added. Acyl group is COCl group, and the acyl group here added is benzoyl chloride. In the presence of aqueous NOH, we get phenyl benzoate and HCl is formed again. So this HCl is neutralized by pyridine which is used. So let us go into the mechanism. The first step is formation of phenoxide ion. As base is present, NaOH is present, phenol is converted into phenoxide ion. In the second step, the phenoxide ion will attack acid chloride and forms a tetrahedral intermediate. Tetrahedral is, we all know that, like the structure of methane. It looks like this. This is the tetrahedral structure. So this tetrahedral structure is formed here, which can be shown in the reaction like this. The phenoxide ion, the negative charge from here, it is transferred onto the carbonyl carbon here, and the double bond is shifted onto the oxygen, and then we get a tetrahedral intermediate. This is the tetrahedral intermediate that is formed. And here, after the formation of tetrahedral intermediate, the chloride ion has to be removed. That includes the third step. So that means the minus charge here will be converted into a double bond, and the chloride ion along with the electrons, bond pair electrons, is lost to get the final product phenyl benzoate. There are some important applications for this reaction. So these applications, that means uses. So applications here are, it is used to synthesize, to produce a chili flavor, like a hot spicy flavor for, in some foods, that is used, that is the formation of or synthesis of capsaicin. Capsaicin is a chemical which is found in chilies, which gives the hot spicy flavor to the chilies. Now that can be artificially synthesized by this reaction. And phenethylamine is also an alkaloid, that means it comes from the plants, special plants like cinchona and all. So it is a CNS stimulant, central nervous system stimulant. And this reaction can also be used to acylate benzyl amines also. Benzyl amines are like this, the structure benzene ring, and there is a CH2 group present here along with the NH2 added. So here this is the benzyl amine. So to acylate benzyl amines also this reaction can be used. And in the Fischer synthesis of peptides are synthesized by one method called Fischer synthesis, and Fischer synthesis is modified Schotten-Baumann reaction. Fischer synthesis of peptides is a Schotten-Baumann reaction which is modified, changed a bit. Hope you understand the topic clearly. Thank you.